Hello children, my name is Rashi and in this video we'll be continuing with our exercise 2.2. So we were on chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Polynomials class 9 and we have done exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2 question number 1 also. Okay, so in this video we'll be starting with question number 2 of exercise 2.2. Question number 2, which is on page number 34 of our NCERT book. Okay, so question number 2 says find P0, P1 and P2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. So, our first part is Py equals to y square minus y plus 1. So, this is a polynomial and now what we have to do is we have to find P0, P1 and P2, which means that first we have to put the value of y 0, then 1, then 2. So, it's very easy question, just थोड़ी सी calculation हो जाएगी. So let's start. Yes. So first part is y square minus y plus 1. First let's calculate P0. So P0 means at the place of y now we have to put 0. Okay. So y की जगह पे 0 square minus y है यहाँ पे तो 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0, 0 minus 0 again 0. So I think 1 is the answer. Correct? ठीक है. So at P0 this polynomial will be 1. Putting the value of P1 now, मतलब y की प्लेस पे अब पुट करना है हमें 1. ठीक है. So ये हो जाएगा 1 square. This will be minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cut. तो ये हो जाएगा 1. So again we got 1 square is 1. तो फिर से हमारे पास आ गया 1. Correct? Now coming to the third part which is P2. अब हमें P की वैल्यू पुट करनी है 2. ठीक है. So at the place of y now we will put 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Now 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. So this is 5 minus 2 which is 3. So at y equals to 2 the value of this polynomial will be 3. So that's it. This was the first part. हमें P0 calculate करना था, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. So the first polynomial was y square minus y plus 1. तो हमने P0 calculate किया 1, P1 calculate किया 1 and P2 calculate किया 3. Okay. Please note down this first part. Then I'll be starting with the second part. let's start with the second part now. So the second part is Pt equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, so now again we have to find P0, P1 and P2. So for P0, first is P0. Now we have to put 0 at the place of t. ठीक है, so 2 as it is, t की place पे 0 plus 2 as it is, t की place पे 0 again t की place पे 0, तो ये हो गया 0 क्यूब. ठीक है, so 2 as it is plus 0 कुछ भी नहीं होता, plus 2 into 0 0 minus 0, so I think 2 is the answer. बाकी सब कुछ 0 हो जाएगा, right? So at t equals to 0, this polynomial will be 2. Oh sorry, yes, this polynomial will be 2. ठीक है, so this was the first part. अभी P1 और P2 भी calculate करना है. So let's calculate P1. So again 2 as it is plus t की place पे 1 plus 2 as it is, t की place पे 1, so 1 square minus 1 cube. ठीक है, so 2 as it, so 2 plus 1 is 3. ठीक है, ये हो गया 3, 1 square is 1, so 1 into 2 is 1 plus 2 minus 1, so 5 minus 1 4. So at t equals to 1, this polynomial will be 4. The value of this polynomial will be 4. So P0 पे 2 आया, P1 पे 4 आया. अब P2 पे चेक करते हैं, P2 पे देखते हैं अब क्या आएगा. So for that again 2 as it is, t की place पे 2 plus 2 as it is, t की place पे 2 square minus 2 cube. Now we have to solve this. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. देखो ये कैसे किया मैंने. 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 2 cube is 8. ठीक है, so ये हो गया 4 plus 8 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 cut. So this is 4. So at P2 also we have the value of this polynomial is 4. So यहाँ पे 2 आया, यहाँ पे 4 आया, यहाँ पे 4 आया. So this polynomial at P0 is 2, at P1 is 4 and at P2 again 4. Let's check our answer. Yes, correct. 2 4 4 done. So please note down this in your notes. Then we'll be starting with the third part. Now let's start with the third part. The third part is px equals to x cube. So for this we have to calculate p0, which is 0 cube, which is 0. Right? p1 which is 1 cube, which is 1. तो ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. x की प्लेस पे हमें पहले 0 पुट करना है, देन 1. सो 0 पुट किया, सो 0. 1 पुट किया तो 1. नाउ putting px equals to 2. So it means this will be 2 cube, and we all know that 2 cube is 8, right? So this was the third part of question number 2. Please note down this, then we will be continuing with the last part. Okay, coming to the fourth and the last part of question number 2. So, fourth part is px equals to x minus 1, x plus 1. Right? X minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so now we have to put the value of x. पहले 0, फिर 1, फिर 2. So p0 gives us 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Right? X minus 1, x plus 1. X की place पे 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and 0 plus 1 is plus 1. So this is ultimately 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Right? So at p equals to 0 we have minus 1. ठीक है? At x equals to 0, sorry, we have minus 1. अब x equals to 1 रख के देखते हैं. So this will be 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. देखो 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 into something. देखो यहाँ पे 2 आया, but 0 into 2 is ultimately 0. ठीक है? So at x equals to 1, we have the value of this polynomial is 0. Okay? Coming to the third one, p at x equals to 2. So x plus 1 and x, sorry, ये तो हमें तो question है, x minus 1, x plus 1. So यहाँ पे आएगा 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. So at x equals to 2, we have the value of this polynomial is 3. Correct? Please note down this. So we are completed with our question number 2 also. So now let's start with question number 3. Okay. Let's start with question number 3 now. exercise 2.2 question number 3. Exercise 2.2 question number 3 says verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So basically what we have to do, हमें ये बताना है कि जो जीरोस गिवन है हमें क्वेश्चन में वो उसके जीरोस हैं भी या फिर नहीं. So verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Let's write the first part. The first part is px equals to 3x plus 1. Px equals to 3x plus 1 and x equals to minus 1 upon 3. अब ये इंडिकेटेड वैल्यू है x की जो हमें गिवन है. Now what we have to do is हमें चेक करना है कि is this the zero of the polynomial, this or not. Children, I have already told you that how we can check कि जो हमें गिवन है वैल्यू वो जीरो है पॉलिनोमियल का या फिर नहीं. The way is to put this value in this polynomial and जीरो आना चाहिए. अगर जीरो आ रहा है इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. अगर जीरो नहीं आ रहा इट मीन्स इट इज नॉट द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. सो लेट्स चेक. सी यहाँ पे हम x की प्लेस पे पुट करेंगे -1/3. सो यहाँ पे 3 एज इट इज, x की प्लेस पे -1/3 प्लस 1. सो 3 से 3 कट, -1 प्लस 1 विच इज 0. सो अल्टीमेटली 0 यहाँ पे आ गया. इट मीन्स therefore x equals to -1/3 is the zero of the polynomial. Okay, very simple, right? So हमें just value put करके check करना है जीरो आ रहा है या फिर नहीं. जीरो आ गया it means it is the zero of the polynomial. Coming to second part now. So the second part is px equals to 5x minus pi and x is 4/5. So this is the indicated value of x. इस वैल्यू को पुट करके चेक करेंगे whether zero is coming or not. So for that children x की प्लेस पे 4/5 पुट कर देंगे. This will be 5 as it is. x की प्लेस पे 4/5 minus pi. So 5 से 5 कट, 4 minus pi. अब ये फर्दर आगे सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा, मतलब जीरो नहीं आ रहा. इट मीन्स therefore x equals to 4/5 is not the zero of the polynomial. I hope I am clear. यहाँ पे अगर जीरो आ जाता तो ये जीरो होता पॉलिनोमियल का, but because zero we cannot obtain zero here, so it is not the zero of the given polynomial. Coming to the third and fourth part, but before that please note down these two parts in your notebook. Now let's come to third part. So the third part of question number 3 is px equals to x square minus 1 and x is 1 and minus 1. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास टू वैल्यूज गिवन है x की. इट मीन्स हमें दोनों पे चेक करना है दैट आर both of them the zeros of the given polynomial or not. So first let's check for x equals to 1. So x equals to 1, this will be 1 square minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, which is 0. So yes, at x equals to 1, so yes, 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. At x equals to minus 1, check करते हैं, minus 1 square minus 1, right? अब minus 1 का square भी 1 ही होता है. So 1 minus 1 again 0. It means we can write therefore x equals to 1 and minus 1 are zeros of the given polynomial. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमने दोनों के लिए चेक किया, x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. दोनों में 0 आ गया. It means x equals to 1 and minus 1 are zeros of the given polynomial. Let me check whether the last line is visible. Yes. So this was the third part, children. Let's complete the fourth part also in this video only. Then the rest of the parts we will be discussing in next video. So the fourth part is px equals to x plus 1, x minus 2. At x equals to minus 1 and 2. So here again we have two values. So first we will be putting x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 2. देखो यहाँ पे अब कुछ भी आए, minus 1 plus 1 0 हो गया. So 0 into something would be 0 only. ठीक है. So minus 1 तो 0 है. ठीक है. देखो 0 into minus 3 0 because minus minus plus 3 and sign minus का anything into 0 is 0. अब p equals to मतलब x equals to 2 पे चेक करेंगे. So this will be 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. देखो अब यहाँ पे 2 minus 2 0 हो गया. So अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी आए doesn't matter. ये भी 0 हो गया. Therefore what we will say? Therefore x equals to minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial, right? So x is 1 and x is minus 1 are zeros of the given polynomial. थर्ड में आया था and फोर्थ में भी दोनों zeros है because दोनों में 0 आ गया सॉल्व करके, right? So this was the third and the fourth part of question number 3. Please note down these parts in your notebook. Okay, so we have completed the 4 parts of question number 3 in this video. The rest 4 we'll be completing in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video. In my next video, I'll be ending question number 3 and 4, and then we will be completed with this exercise also. Okay, so that we can start with remainder theorem after this. इसके बाद हमारी remainder theorem है in exercise 2.3. Alright, so what is my suggestion to you here is that please solve these questions जो मैं आपको NCERT से करा रही हूँ. Please solve them from your extra book as well, side by side. If you will leave it for the future, you will not be able to solve them anyhow. So please solve them right now, so that when problems will occur, queries will be there, so I can solve them. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video. In that video, we'll be continuing with this exercise only. Thank you.